So how can you record on the iPhone while watching a video? So this depends on where exactly you are watching the video. A lot of people consume and watch content on YouTube, which is obviously a great place. And in my case, what I can do is to open up the YouTube and start playing a video. And since I'm a premium subscriber, which is like a great feature from YouTube, I can only recommend it. When I leave the app, I can keep on listening to the content and the video, right? So even if I open up the camera and go to the video mode, I can start capturing the video as you can see. But if I swipe down, the sound of my content of the YouTube video is still playing, right? So I can listen to my videos, everything is still playing, and I'm actually recording stuff on my phone through the camera. So depends on what your exact goal is with this, but it is possible that way. You should also know that it only works if I don't have the picture-in-picture mode, so I cannot really just watch a video and record another one. I can listen to it while recording a video if I really wanted to, and that's how it works. But again, it is part of the premium features of YouTube, which you can most definitely go ahead and try out. It's like a great service, so yeah, let me know below. But also there is the QuickTime. As you can see, when you hold down on the camera shutter button while taking a photo, you can swipe to capture a quick video. And this has also been linked with the ability to listen to music and videos in the background. So just try that out as well to see if it also works or, what's up with that. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.